Nagdasal ako at sinuko ko kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, ikaw na po bahala sa love life ko. Alam ko po ang isang araw ibibigay mo po sa akin yung taong mamahalin ako ng totoo at ihaharap ako sa altar.
I've been drifting away.
Luisa, alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Mula noon, ngayon, magpakailanman. Mahal na mahal kita. Minsan kahit naiinis ka sa akin, alam kong mahal na mahal mo ako. At alam mong mahal na mahal din kita.
Be with you, as close to you.
At ibinigay nga ni Lord yon at ikaw yon. Han, alam ko marami akong pagkukulang at kamali ang ginawa at never mo akong binitawan at never kang sumuko. Salamat sa lahat, mahal ko.
Until all our strength is gone, hold on tight, just let go. I wanna feel you in my soul.
Luisa, did you come here of your own free will to bound yourself forever in the love and service of your would-be husband, Libe?
Yes, Father.
Libe, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself in the love and service of your would-be wife, Luisa? Yes, Father. Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, and just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul?
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
Each other, let's make love all night long, until all our strength is gone. And hold on tight, just let go. I wanna feel you in my soul, until the sun comes up. Let's make love. Let's make love all night long, until all our strength is gone. And hold on tight, just let go. I wanna feel you in my soul, until the sun comes up. Until the sun comes up. Let's make love.
Love is unending. Meron kayo ugnayan na walang hangganan, kasalan na walang wakasan. Amen.
You may kiss your bride.